tilling in our high tunnel for some of our non-exotic things like tomatoes and cucumbers, basil, some cilantro, maybe some squash. And we can certainly grow those outdoors here, but one of the benefits of planting in a high tunnel, I can continue harvesting much later in the year. Or in the case of tomatoes over there, those were planted 2 years ago, and we picked some tomatoes, not a lot, but even throughout the winter. So the temperatures are warmer on the coldest of our days. The skies are clear, and it gets quite warm in here on a cold winter day outside. That might be 45 degrees or even colder, but on a 45-degree temperature, it might be 85 degrees inside here. Plus, the soil stays relatively dry, or we control the moisture so we don't get root rot. Those tomatoes haven't been the best managed. They didn't look too good in February and March, but been quite busy with other farm work, so I haven't kept up on those. They need to be trained up, but we'll be getting tomatoes. I have tomato plants started in my shop under grow lights, and maybe in 45 days we'll be picking tomatoes from those, and then I'll get rid of those tomatoes. I want to keep growing tomatoes in the same spot because of the various virus diseases that we can have with those. But anyway, we do grow some non-exotic crops. I do plan on planting more mango trees next to these other mango trees and my achamoya down there on the end. And maybe, down here I've got some various potted plants here, some figs and white sapote and so forth. Some chestnut trees to replant out in my chestnut orchard. I want to clear off one more shelf there and plant more mangoes down there. So anyway, I planned to get this planted earlier, but had some problems with this rototiller. There's a PTO clutch, they call it, a cog here that was bound up. I could not get the rototiller to engage. Looked online, other people had the same problem, and they tried on it. My buddy Gary Esperson came by yesterday. I loaned them my DR mower for their cherry orchard, and he improvised a little hammer puller tool there and worked on it, heated it up, finally got it broke loose, but then broke the engagement shaft on the tool, and he welded that up, straightened it out, and welded it up for me. So finally got it put all back together today, and today is May 23rd, and we're finally getting ready to transplant our tomatoes into our high tunnel garden. We'll plant more. I got fava beans outside there and asparagus beyond that. I plan to plant some zucchini outside, but I might have one or two inside the high tunnel here. Anyway, thanks for watching.